Right, so the other day I had a little mishap. I bent the back axle. I hit a Royal Mail van head on. I've bent the chassis leg, but the engine's coming out over the weekend while it's Easter. It's going in another Zaf, so hopefully it'll be back up and running. I might have it tuned, took down a bit. It's a bit leery, too leery to be honest, but a few things to be done. Like the rocker cover gasket's leaking pretty bad, and piston rings, as it's got blow by, it's blowing oil back out into the crossover delete pipe, so it's using quite a bit of oil that way, and hopefully be back up and running. Cheers.